I was diagnosed with cancer when I turned 50. It was a gift. And I started my treatment in Jordan. They have one of the best centers in the Middle East.
What type of cancer were you diagnosed
I have multiple myeloma, which is cancer of the bone marrow, which is cancer in the immunity system. That's why I will always have low immunity. So when I shook hands, I had to sanitize. So, my husband and daughter were like, why don't you come to the James, just get a second opinion, see what you, and I'm like, no, I don't want to go and be treated away from the family. My siblings are in Jordan and all of that. And I'm like, you know what, doesn't matter. And they're like, well, come see. So I came and I said, I'll only come for 2 weeks. I came and I met with Dr. Benson, and everything else was history. I fell in love with Dr. Benson. I fell in love with the center, with the team. He was so knowledgeable. He was so, giving. He sat there with me as if I was his only concern, and I just got a sense from, that gut feeling that this is the right place for me.
Across the country and around the world, there's all kinds of different cultures and faith traditions and social economic factors and political structures, but a cancer diagnosis is a very unifying thing. It on some level is the same, whether you're in India or China or Columbus, Ohio, or
Trauma level 2 in 5 minutes. Trauma level 2 in 5 minutes.
I think what I've taken from not just my patients in destination, but all my patients, is that fundamentally we're all the same, and the chance to share part of that journey with someone is a great privilege. And yes, the cancer is the reason that we met, but I take care of a patient from Canada, and we both love hockey, and we email about the Blue Jackets and the Oilers, and sometimes we'll go several weeks talking about it, and myeloma doesn't come up once. And I love to fish, and I have a patient in Alaska who wants me to come to his cabin to go salmon fishing, and it's just cancer. It's just it's a very unifying thing, right? That shared experience. So,
and Destination Medicine, they did a great job putting all my appointments in like 2 weeks. I got everything done. Everything was brilliant. They facilitated everything for me. When I first was diagnosed, I thought that my future would be on a wheelchair, disabled, unable to do anything. And I have a full life. I travel. Because of the CAR T-cell treatment, I was able to go overseas and attend my daughter's destination wedding in Jordan, which was my dad's first and only wedding that he attended for any of his grandchildren, because he passed a month after that.